Namaste.
And welcome back to Grow with the Jan family.
Today, we're going to watch Modi Ji's speech that he gives to the soldiers on the border. Not only thanking them, but I think giving them some inspiration.
Yeah.
We know he's asked the fighter jets to come, the Rafales to come faster. We know he's ordered some more jets and getting prepared. China is pulling all their stuff up close to the border as well.
Mm-hmm.
They've also been trying to play dirty politics, as opposed to India, who's like, oh, we're going to get rid of these 59 Chinese apps because they're
boycott everything.
Yeah, and boycott their stuff because we don't want Chinese goods. We don't want stuff from China where they've lied and they're deceitful, they're not telling the truth, like just one thing after the other, between the virus, between the violations, and then when they do that, China's like, oh, you might lose some Indian jobs doing that. We're worried about the Indians.
You were worried about the Indians. 1, you wouldn't have never started the pandemic. 2, you would support Made in India. 3, you wouldn't be at their border.
Yeah, with sticks wrapped with barbed wire and killing soldiers. Yeah, you have no interest in India other than to try to destroy it. And guess what? The lion is going to rise up and beat the dragon. We're done. No way is Modi Ji going to let this happen. And I know those soldiers at the border are ready to defend every inch of Indian soil till their death. And we don't want war. We like peace. But we also know India never starts it. But they'll finish it.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to watch Modi Ji's wonderful speech.
Yeah.
Ready?
माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। जिन कठिन परिस्थितियों में जिस ऊंचाई पर आप मां भारती की ढाल बन करके उसकी रक्षा करते हैं, उसकी सेवा करते हैं, उसका मुकाबला पूरे विश्व में कोई नहीं कर सकता है। आपकी भुजाएं उन चट्टानों जैसी मजबूत हैं,
strong as those
जो
mountains.
आपके इर्द गिर्द खड़ी है। आपकी इच्छा शक्ति आस पास के पर्वतों जितनी अटल है। आज आपके बीच आकर मैं इसे महसूस कर रहा हूं। राष्ट्र कवि रामधारी सिंह दिनकर जी ने लिखा था, जिनके सिंहनाद से सहमी,
They definitely need a
जिनके
lesson.
Yeah.
सिंहनाद से सहमी धरती रही अभी तक डोल। कलम आज उनकी जय बोल, कलम आज उनकी जय बोल। तो मैं आज अपनी वाणी से आपकी जय बोलता हूं। लेह लद्दाख से लेकर करगिल और सियाचिन तक, रेजांगला की बर्फीली चोटियां से लेकर गलवान घाटी के ठंडे पानी की धारा तक,
Yeah.
हर चोटी, हर पहाड़, हर जर्रा जर्रा, हर कंकड़ पत्थर भारतीय सैनिकों के पराक्रम की गवाही देते हैं। और ये हमारी पहचान है। हम वो लोग हैं जो बांसुरीधारी कृष्ण की पूजा करते हैं, तो हम वही लोग हैं जो सुदर्शन चक्रधारी
Exactly.
कृष्ण को भी आदर्श मान करके चलते हैं। साथियों, विस्तारवाद का युग समाप्त हो चुका है। ये युग विकासवाद का है। तेजी से बदलते हुए समय में विकासवाद ही प्रासंगिक है। विकासवाद के लिए ही अवसर है और विकासवाद ही भविष्य का आधार भी है।
Yeah.
बीती शताब्दियों में विस्तारवाद ने ही मानवता का सबसे ज्यादा हित किया, मानवता को विनाश करने का प्रयास किया। विस्तारवाद की जीत जब किसी पर सवार हुई है, उसने हमेशा विश्व शांति के सामने खतरा पैदा किया है। और साथियों, ये न भूले, इतिहास गवाह है कि ऐसी ताकतें मिट गई हैं या मुड़ने के लिए मजबूर हो गई है। साथियों, जब जब मैं राष्ट्र रक्षा से जुड़े किसी निर्णय के बारे में सोचता हूं, तो मैं सबसे पहले दो माताओं का स्मरण करता हूं। जब भी मैं राष्ट्र रक्षा के विषय में सोचता हूं, तो मैं सबसे पहले दो माताओं का स्मरण करता हूं। पहली, हम सभी की भारत माता। जब मैं दो माताओं का स्मरण करता हूं, पहली हम सभी की भारत माता और दूसरी वे वीर माताएं, जिन्होंने आप जैसे पराक्रमी योद्धाओं को जन्म दिया है। मैं उन दो माताओं का स्मरण करता हूं। देश को आप पर गर्व है, आप पर नाज है। हम एक सशक्त और आत्मनिर्भर भारत बनाएंगे, बना करके ही रहेंगे। और आपसे प्रेरणा जब मिलती है, तो आत्मनिर्भर भारत का संकल्प भी और ताकतवर हो जाता है। मेरे साथ पूरी ताकत से बोलिए, भारत माता की
जय।
भारत माता की
जय।
भारत माता की
जय।
वंदे
मातरम।
वंदे
Mataram.
वंदे
Mataram. I love when Modi speaks about the soldiers being as strong as the mountains.
Yeah.
Because it's so true. We know the Indian soldiers will rise up and defend every last drop of Indian blood and Indian soil till the bitter end. There is no doubt in our mind that those soldiers are strong. You know, we don't really want the war. We would rather it be more political and peaceful. But we know India is not going to take the crap from China.
It is.
And they will fight back to the bitter end. And like he said, those mountains and the rocks and the soil will tell your stories. Like, reminds me of the Terry Mitty song a little bit.
It does.
When he brings that up.
Another thing that he said was they're kind of like Krishna, which Krishna plays the flute and he can be really nice. And when you come in peace, India will treat you like gods. Like, they feed you like gods, they will treat you like gods. But if you don't, they're going to whip that chakra right next to you. Yeah.
Yeah. I believe it. That was like one of the best analogies to use Krishna, because it's so nice and peaceful. But
don't forget, he's got a chakra.
Don't forget. And that's true. We will bite that dragon back so hard one way he really bit the dragon back was getting rid of those apps. That was like the first start. We want it to be a fair trade, not a free trade. So we hope that's like the next thing in his pocket to go after China.
$1 for you, $1 for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely fair trade, not free trade. And it needs to be like that, especially with the social media. Like, China does not let any social media in, but they want you to take theirs. They want you to buy theirs and to take theirs all the time, but they won't buy yours back. So they're like, take our products, but we won't take yours.
Right, but they're so worried about Indian jobs. Oh, so why don't you download all the Indian apps?
And support Made in India.
And support Made in India.
And not go near the border.
Yeah, if they really cared, they wouldn't have come with sticks with barbed wire and rocks in their hands.
They wouldn't have bent the rules at all.
No, with no firearms. Yeah. So many lies. You know, we've seen it in our own mailbox. More than once, we've gotten mail from the dragon saying one thing and something else is inside without a name on it, without a complete address on it. You know, such deceit and so many lies. It goes... And the world has been letting it go for so long, but this is the time. We need to stop it. Modi G is starting it. Yeah, and we want Trump to hit them hard too, and the rest of the world. We've all been affected by this coronavirus, and this is not the first virus that's come out of there. We need to come together and contain China before it's too late. They think we're stupid, and
they think they can take over the world.
Yeah, and it's not going to happen. This is the time we have to fight back. The lion is going to roar, and we need Trump's support in fighting back this. It needs to stop. But like we said, we hope and pray there's no bloodshed on the border. We want more politics done at the UN. Political chess. Hit them politically. Hit them in the wallet as much as we can. Because I think this is sending a message. Like, I think they're trying these bullying tactics to try to scare you into stop hitting them in the wallet, stop hitting them politically, but it's not going to work.
Also saying, like, oh, we love India, to make you get their apps back. Like,
they're trying a little of everything, but nothing is working. And the world is hopefully getting a wake-up call and going to get too smart. So we need to not let China get away with this stuff anymore. But like we said, we don't want bloodshed. We don't want any more Indian soldiers to die on the border. But we know they're strong. And we know you guys are ready for it if it comes. But we pray for you every single day.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for your service to the country, to Mother India, and for the freedom in India. We thank you guys so much for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this.
And don't forget to subscribe.
And join our wonderful growing Jan family.
And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Jai Hind!